So good morning, this is Saturday of our second prep weekend, or our fourth prep event for the Wild West Welshies. I'm currently walking down the lane from the farm because the young people are told to be at a car park at 6 AM to collect their food for the weekend. Unfortunately, there's so much food you can't all fit in a car, so I had the short straw and I'm walking there.
Happy birthday, dear Harry. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads.
I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to find out more about our adventures to Jamboree and follow our story, or if you want to be part of our story, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.